Emma is standing in a strange position. Her arms are in the air, her eyes are closed. What is she doing? It is Saturday morning. Emma is watching a video on the tablet.
Mom, look at this. This woman is doing yoga. It looks so cool.
Oh, yoga. I love yoga. I used to do yoga before you were born.
Can I try it? Can we do yoga together? Please, Mom.
Of course. Let me find our yoga mats. This will be fun.
Hey, do you like yoga? Tell us in the comments. And please like this video.
Anna puts 2 yoga mats on the living room floor. Emma is very excited.
Okay, Emma. First, we stand on the mat. Stand straight and tall.
Like this? Am I doing it right?
Yes, but relax your shoulders. Breathe in slowly.
Okay. Breathe in and breathe out. This feels nice.
Now, let us try the tree pose. Put one foot on your other leg.
Oh, this is hard. I keep falling.
That is okay. Try again. Look at one spot on the wall. It helps you balance.
Oliver hears laughing from his bedroom. He comes downstairs to see what is happening.
What are you doing? Why are you standing like that? We are doing yoga, Oliver. It is so much fun. Do you want to try? Yoga? Is it like a game? I want to play.
It is not a game, but it is very fun. Come here, Oliver.
Stand on my mat.
Oliver stands on the mat. He copies Emma pose.
Whoa! I am falling. This is so hard. You have to be still, Oliver. Do not move so fast. But my body wants to move. Okay, I will try again.
Good job, Oliver. Now try the cat pose. Get on your hands and knees.
A cat pose? Meow! I am a cat. Oliver, you are so funny. It is a yoga pose, not a real cat.
Thomas comes into the living room. He sees everyone on the floor. What is going on here? Why is everyone on the floor?
Dad, we are doing yoga. Come and try it with us.
Yoga? Me? Oh, I do not think I can do yoga. I am not very flexible.
Come on, Thomas. It is easy. Just try the simple poses.
Dad, you can do the cat pose. It is easy.
Thomas takes off his shoes and stands on a yoga mat. He looks a little nervous.
Try to touch your toes, Thomas. Bend down slowly.
Okay, here I go. Bending down. Almost there. Ugh! I cannot reach!
Dad, your face is turning red. Are you okay?
I am fine. I just need more practice. Yoga is harder than I thought.
Let us all do one last pose together. The warrior pose. Watch me.
The whole family does the warrior pose together. They look strong and happy. Question for you. What was the first pose Anna taught Emma? Was it the cat pose, the tree pose, or the warrior pose? Tell us in the comments.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. See you next time.